Howdy ho, bitches. No music. This is like a last minute video. Very good old friend of mine showed up. Look out, motherfucker. Woo! We're doing some barbecue and, well, grilling. And, yeah, we do some chicken and some sausages. It's, last day of April. April 30th. 30 days. So, yeah, here you go. I got a beer. And, you know, open that fucker up because I left my beer outside, so might as well fucking open another one. Alright, bitches. That's how we do it in the fucking drunk house, eh? RTFO mofos. I'm just gonna do some chicken thighs and some sausages. And, yeah, that's it. Cheers, big ears. Oh, nice. RTFO mofos. Alright, bitches. Here's what we got going on. We got some Johnsonville hot Italian sausages. It's my buddy's Italian. He likes these. We're going to do 2 with bastard rub, which is, you know, pretty standard around here. So we're going to do 2 with bastard rub. And we got some rub from Australia. Good man from Australia called Brad Pickersgill sent me a care package. This is the first thing I'm trying out from it. It's a barbecue Mafia. I hope it's really not too fucking hot. And because I haven't even opened it yet, you know, things have been happening. This one is called Barbecue Mafia The Enforcer. Barbecue rub. It's got a bird on it, it's got a pig on it, and a fish. It looks like a pig. Packed in Australia. Hey, directions. Sprinkle on food. No fucking kidding. Bastards. Okay. So, thank you, Mr. Pickersgill. This is the first of many videos with your stuff, eh? Motherfucker. Cheers, big ears. Woo!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Steam whistle.
Hey, this is...
Rock the fuck on.
This is social drinking. We're at a distance. Cheers, big ears.
Cheers. Steam whistle.
Woo! Let's get steamy. Alright, bitches. Oh, where's that brush? I had it.
You left it
It's
inside.
right there. No, that ain't it. Fuck me.
Devil weed.
The devil weed is getting me. So what we're gonna do, some of these, couple of these Italian sausages. Mosquito, fuck off. Cock eaters. And,
Lots of them.
yeah, I know. Well, it's the time. Hey, it almost hit 20 degrees today. Okay. That's enough for you.
Tomorrow it will, apparently.
Yeah. Chicken. So what we got? We got 2 thighs with bastard rub. And 2 with the Enforcer. It's the Enforcer, right?
Yep.
Okay. From Brad Pickersgill in Australia. So here you go, buddy. I didn't forget about you. I just, you know, shit on the go, man. Thank you very much for sending this to me.
We'll let you know if it's good or not.
Yeah.
Looks good.
And Larry's Italian, so you know what?
Well, half Italian.
There you go. But if he knows the Enforcer and the Barbecue Mafia, well, yeah.
We'll see.
We'll see. Okay. I'm not going to put sausages on just yet. Wait a couple minutes. Alright, bitches. RTFO mofos. Where's my beer? Here it is.
Cheers.
Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup.
Canadian, steamy.
Steamy. Let's get steamy and crappy Canadian. Woo! Alright, bitches. It's been like, I don't know, close to 10 minutes. Had to put a watch on since the phone is making music. And cheers, big ears.
Cheers.
Die. Let's flip these bitches over, shall we? Smell good. So this is the bastard rub. Let's do these ones first. This is the, what is it? The Enforcer?
Yep.
Enforcer. Ooh,
Enforcer.
Nice. Okay. I can open up the, this is the bastard rub. I'm going to open up the bottom a bit. Since we're losing light, put some sausages on.
But we have some good tunes going.
Fucking right.
For the lack of light.
Yeah, we're losing light.
That's okay.
Didn't know if you have to leave, that's all.
No, fuck.
Everybody's here for a
Lots of time.
Corona visit.
Corona, fuck off.
Yeah. Oh, look, a hole. I gotta fill that in. Fucking moles, eh? Oh, that's exactly what it is. The moles
Yep.
go there.
Over here,
Motherfucker.
too.
Hate those fucking things. Cockbag douche fuckers. A hole in the sky. Woo! Sabbath, bitches.
Yep.
Fucking Sabbath.
Number one.
This guy and I have been to so many fucking concerts together over the years. Fuck, we've known each other 31 fucking years. You want one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good for me.
Okay.
Man.
Fucking A. We saw these guys many times.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. Mostly with Dio, though.
Yeah.
Which is okay.
Oh, fucking right. Dio's my favorite male vocalist of all time.
Yeah, I'll second that.
Woo! RTFO,
Cheers.
mofos. Here, come over here so they can see you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, big ears.
Cheers, big ears.
Steam
Rock
whistle.
the fuck on with steam whistle.
Woo! All right, bitches. Woo! Cheers, big ears.
Cheers.
RTFO, mofos. Okay, we're gonna flip this bitches over. I'm pretty fucked up right now. Weed is kicking my fucking ass.
Times two.
Look at it. Yeah. I think it's gonna be overdone. Well, it's not done yet, but it's gonna be overdone.
As long as it tastes good, man.
Oh, it's gonna taste fucking great. So let's spin these around. You're gonna be ready very fucking soon. You have to supercharge your fucking Italian sausages. Yeah. Hey, nice one.
Hey, squeeze me.
Woo! RTFO mofos.
Rock the fuck on.
Bitches.
Black Sabbath.
Oh, baby burp. I have that fucking alien in my stomach. I can't burp too much.
Alien still there?
Yeah. Woo! All right, bitches. Chicken should be done. I gotta get a beer.
I'm here crashing the party. I'm drinking Canadian now. The steam whistle's all gone.
Crappy Canadian. Isn't there a bottle of steam whistle in there?
It's gone.
Oh, you drank
A
that?
bottle?
Yeah, no, there should be a couple bottles on the door.
Oh, fuck. I didn't know that.
Yeah, the top shelf on
No
the door.
idea.
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, man.
Canadian's okay. That's a good alternative to
Yep.
steam whistle. Well, a so-so alternative.
Crappy Canadian. Woo. All right. So our chicken should be done. Well, I guarantee it's fucking done. It's getting dark. I don't give a fuck. Got a heater in my old truck. And it went to
And
the
he's
fucking,
off to the rodeo.
It went to the rodeo. Okay.
My son's car's getting a little old.
Good. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna crisp up that skin. Okay. Boom. Boom. 30 seconds. Boom.
Fucking nice night, man.
It is. Can't believe the fucking mosquitoes are out down there.
Yeah, it's a little early, but they're not too bad so far. We
There
can
you go.
tolerate. And we got Sabbath going, so
Okay.
and chicken on the barbecue,
And
yeah,
sausages.
it's all good.
Okay, you want the buns toasted?
Optional.
If you want them toasted, I'll toast them on
Yeah,
the buns. I don't
toast them
care.
on, man. Toast them on.
So this is Bastard Rub. And this is Pickersgill's Barbecue Mafia Enforcer. Aha, I got it right, motherfucker.
Australia, right?
Australia. There you go, bitches.
Australia.
Bastard Rub, Barbecue Mafia. Okay, we'll get into her in a minute. Kenny, I put it on a fucking rack just for you, buddy. Even though it's fucking chicken. Rules apply for chicken too. Just fucking with you, Kenny. Okay.
Kenny's Australia?
No, Brad is Australia. Kenny's from Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh, wow.
Kenny's a good dude.
Nice.
All right, bitches. I'm gonna brown up some buns, and we're gonna be good to fucking go. All right, bitches. Here we are. Wind is picking up. I think it's gonna rain soon. With a few drops, but gonna have a few more drops of fucking beer, eh, bitches? Woo! And if you're not beer bitches, who cares?
Rock the fuck on.
And drink up, buttercup. Well, we all know that the bastard rub chicken is gonna be awesome. We know that. So let's get into the enforcer from Australia, Barbecue Mafia. Come here, bitchy. Mofo. Let's cut this bitch open, shall we? That is how it looks. Smells fucking great. There you go, bitches. That's fucking perfect. And it's still a little fucking steamy. Unfortunately, there's no more fucking steam whistle. Someone drank it all. I think there's a couple bottles in the fridge.
Guilty.
Okay, here we go, big ears. Cheers. Hey, you don't cheers with food, you cheers with beer. So there you go. Cheers, mofos.
Cheers. Woo! Cheers, big ears.
We're gonna go down the hatch with Enforcer. That's good. I like that. Feel like that. It's not hot. No, that's fucking good. No sphincter burning in the morning. That's tasty.
That's always good.
Yeah, that's really tasty. Oh yeah. Look at that. Forget about Blondie. This is Gingy. Oh yeah. Look out. And no, it's not red blood. That's just from the fucking rub. Oh my god. That's fucking great. That is, you'll like that. Yep, I like that. Mr. Pickersgill, thank you very much, man. Yeah, that's good. That one's for you.
Which one?
That one?
Nice.
That's the one in Australia, and that's the bastard rub.
Nice.
Okay. I'm gonna finish this off. Drink some more beer. And charge my battery a bit more, motherfuckers, because I don't know why it's draining. All you.
Rock the fuck on.
Bitches. RTFO mofos. Okay, Brad. Well, thanks, buddy.
Thumbs up, Brad.
Woo! Hey. Cheers, Corona ears. And watch out. Don't let one of them fucking platypuses fuck you in the ass. Because that'd be fucking wrong, man.
Cheers,
Cheers,
man.
big ears.
Good
Woo!
stuff. Good stuff.
Wrecked him. Damn near killed him. That platypus crawled right across his ass. Just fucking with you, buddy. Woo!
Fucking kangaroo.
Hey, come on now. Those fighting words. He's a dingo. Still fucking with you, buddy. Come on now. We can't have fun in these corona times. Who the fuck can, eh? Motherfucker.
And the food is good.
Hey, thanks a million for setting that stuff up, really.
Rock the fuck on, man.
Yeah, man. Woo!
Good shit.
Cheers, big ears. All right, bitches. I'm having a beer. He's not having a new one.
Well, there's still some in here, though.
There you go. But I'm having a new one. Cheers, big ears.
Cheers, big ears.
We're gonna try the bastard rub stuff out now, and you know, it's just gonna be bastard rub. But I cooked it, so we got to try it, right? Because all the douchebags out there that want to do a taste test, we're not taste testing. We're taste fucking eating, cocksuckers. But you know what? Hey, they don't give a fuck.
Food is fucking awesome. That's great. The Australian one was great. All good, man.
Yeah, fucking, we're here just to fucking eat and have a good fucking time.
That's it.
Oh, there's Bone there.
It's a fuck you to Corona.
Yeah, fuck off, Corona.
Except the beer.
Yeah, well, that stuff's shit too. Sorry, Leprechaun Barbecue here. Leprechaun, he's from Cleveland. He likes the fucking Corona. Because he's, what's he called? Some kind of, I don't know, a Lepa Mexican or some fucking thing. Here you go, buddy. Cheers, big ears. Look at that. This is a bastard rub one. Still
We got good food.
Still juicy.
We got good food. We got good beer. We got good company. We got good music.
He's a red Mexican. That's what he is. A red Mexican. That's what he is. Leprechaun. He's a good dude.
A Mexican.
But he's an Irish guy. But he's like,
Mexican.
he likes fucking Mexican shit, which is good. Nothing wrong with that. When I say shit, it's shit. It's not real shit. It's like, it's good shit. That's good shit. This is good shit.
Cheers, big ears.
There you go. Okay. We're done for tonight. Grizzle. Yeah. Yep. I got a napkin. Okay, motherfuckers. This is another drunken supper. And this one, actually,
times two.
say this is for Chris the Butcher and friends.
This is for Chris the Butcher and friends.
TeamCTB, motherfuckers.
Team
TeamCTB. Hashtag, I'm gonna fuck you up right now.
Team B hashtag.
There you go. It's awesome. Hashtag, motherfucker.
Hashtag motherfucker.
There you go.
The fuck up.
Now, does this qualify for one of your drunken suppers? I sincerely hope so. Mofo.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker. Cheers, big ears. Listen to the days of the new, you fucking motherfuckers.
And Motorhead.